What if I told you that you could build a professional website in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee? No coding, no web design experience, just one AI tool and a simple prompt. Today, I'll show you how Kimi AI can create an entire website for you in minutes. And the results might shock you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to build a website but felt overwhelmed by coding, design, or expensive developers, then this video is for you. Today we're going step by step through Kimi AI, and I'll show you exactly how to create a beautiful website using AI. Let's jump right in. Step 1. First, visit the Kimi AI website. Click on the login button. You can sign in using your Google account or email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Kimi Chat interface where you can start giving instructions to the AI. That's it. No complicated setup required. Step 2. Now comes the fun part. In the chat box, type a detailed prompt like, create a modern AI agency website with a hero section, services section, testimonials, pricing table, and contact form. Then hit enter. Within seconds, Kimi AI starts generating this website structure and code. Step 3. Don't settle for the first version. Ask Kimi AI. Make it more modern. Use a dark theme. Add animations. Improve the mobile design. The more specific your instructions, the better the website becomes. Step 4. Now ask. Generate complete HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. Kimi AI will create the entire website code for you. Simply copy the code and paste it into VS Code or any code editor. Save the files and open them in your browser. You'll instantly see your website live. Step 5. Here's the powerful feature many people don't know. You can show Kimi AI a website design or describe a layout you like, and it can create a similar structure for inspiration and learning purposes. This saves hours of design work and helps beginners create professional-looking websites much faster. And that's how you can use Kimi AI to create amazing websites in just a few minutes. Whether you're building a portfolio, business website, landing page, or startup project, Kimi AI can save you a huge amount of time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what type of website you're planning to build with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.